Carter Bluebottle the Dragonfly. Carter takes a trip around the world. Look where we are. We're on the Atlantic Ocean on the Emerald Princess cruise ship. This is a picture of the Emerald Princess ship. It's huge. Hotel manager Ricardo is impressed with Carter Bluebottle. We are somewhere on the Atlantic Ocean. Here we are with Kevin, the cruise director. He's enjoying his very own copy of Carter Bluebottle. The Atlantic Ocean and the route we took from Fort Lauderdale, USA to Rome, Italy. Here's the QR code to order your very own copy. Great kids book. Thanks.